We'll guide you through how to fix System UI isn't responding on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can go and get really annoying and it's really disruptive as it will keep on popping up. I can go and press wait and you'll see it will go and disappear for now, but shortly it's going to go and appear again. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can do to go and fix this. Make sure it's this full guide so you know what you can try doing, and you can then go and try it and hopefully go and resolve the problem. So for now, I'll go and press wait again. So first of all, you need to go and swipe up. Go and find your settings, swipe across. You may need to go and search at the top and open it. Next, you need to go and scroll down and you need to go and find the option for, I have to go and press wait again. You want to go and find the option for apps and tap here. Go to the top right and you can go and press search. And you want to go and first of all, go and type in system. I have to press wait again, UI. So let me type it in. Now, in this case, you may have the app. If you don't worry, I don't have it in this case. But if you do, you need to go and click on it, scroll down, and you can find storage, and then you can go and press clear cache. Then, after you've done that, you can go and search for Play, like so, and you want to find Google Play Services, and you can tap there. Then what you can do is go down, and you can go and find storage, press clear cache in the bottom right. Then you can go to the bottom left and press clear data. And you can press clear all data at the bottom and press confirm. After you've done that, now what we're going to do is you want to go and hold down the side power button like so. Keep it held down until you go and see this screen here. Now, if nothing appears, what you may need to do is hold down the volume down button and the power button. Then you can press restart. Have to press wait again and press restart again. Now, what you need to do is go and wait for your device to go and restart. Just keep pressing until it starts. Doing this will go and refresh things and go and restart everything as well. So hopefully it will go and solve the problem. Just be patient, it may take a minute or two. I find older devices do take a bit longer. When it comes back on, we can then go and unlock it, and hopefully now it's gone and resolved. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides. Have a great day.